Billboard operator ka ba? Oo, ikaw. Kontento ka na ba sa ngayon? Or do you see your business growing? More clients, more opportunities, and more projects. The real question is, handa ba ang sistema mo sa paglaki? Because success isn't just about getting bigger. It's about being ready for it. May isang billboard operator na nagsimula lang sa iisang site. Madali pa ang booking, billing, scheduling, naka-Excel lang lahat. Pero one day, dumami ang clients, dumagdag ang sites, at dumoble ang demand. Good news, diba? Pero kasabay nun, dumami rin ang errors, overlapping bookings, delayed payments, at miscommunication pa sa installers. Hindi dahil mahina siya, kundi dahil hindi lang ready yung sistema niya, kasabay lumaki sa negosyo niya. Dito mo marirealize, growth is exciting, pero kung manual pa rin ang lahat, chaos na ang kasunod. That's what scalability is all about. Hindi lang ito technical na term. Ito ang kakayahan ng business system mo na mag-expand without breaking down. Pero sa O+, it helps your business grow without going out of control. So instead of stress, growth becomes momentum. Your system should be bigger. And with O+, your operations don't just survive growth. They're built for it. Dahil sa O+, bawat galaw, planado, bawat hakbang, panalo. Kaya work smart with O+.
Billboard business ay plus na plus kay O+. Angat ang kita, ang takbo ay umaarangkada. Mas pinabilis, mas pinagaan ang lahat.
Kung nakaka-relate ka sa video na to, pa-follow and like naman sa aming Facebook page. Salamat!